Hi, I'm Brittany Montez, and this is the Orlando Health News Review for October 4th. Orlando Sentinel has named Orlando Health as a top workplace for 2023. Orlando Health is one of only 114 companies in Central Florida to receive this honor. Orlando Sentinel's Top Workplace Awards recognize local companies that demonstrate a positive work environment and healthy workplace culture. Orlando Health was selected based entirely on team member feedback gathered through a third-party survey that took place in May. See SWIFT for more details, and congratulations once again for making Orlando Health your best place to work. And Orlando Health's corporate-wide flu vaccine program kicks off today. Flu vaccines are available free of charge to all team members, medical staff members, and volunteers at multiple locations throughout the system. All team members and medical staff members are encouraged to get vaccinated against the flu to protect themselves, their patients, and their loved ones. Check SWIFT for details and to complete your flu shot form in VaxMax today. And hospitals facing a disaster situation may quickly become overwhelmed. One way to help ensure that crucial resources remain available to treat patients is by opening an alternate medical treatment site. Join us on October 31st to see a full alternate medical treatment site and its equipment while team members treat actor patients in a simulated disaster situation. Check SWIFT for the details. And Orlando Health is launching one of its first Foundry projects, the Arthur app, that empowers nonverbal patients with spoken voice. We went behind the scenes of a new commercial highlighting this new app. This innovation is a collaboration between the Orlando Health Strategic Innovations Foundry program and an Orlando Health team member, Jen Foley.
It came from an experience I had with my dad when he woke up from back surgery and he was on a ventilator. He was trying to tell us what he needed, but we just couldn't figure it out. We kept asking him questions. So when the Foundry came to Orlando Health and they were looking for ideas from team members to improve patient care, I thought of this experience with my dad. Today, we are filming an infomercial that the Arthur app sales team will use to go out when they're licensing the Arthur app to other healthcare organizations. It's going to show what happens with a patient when they kind of wake up and they're a little disoriented, they're not able to communicate, so we're going to get a patient point of view. So then we'll come in with the Arthur app and the patient will be able to use it to more easily communicate with their family and healthcare team.
On the unit that I work on, we have a lot of patients who have had head and neck surgery, so unable to speak. And the Arthur app team reached out to us, thought this would be a great place to get some feedback and also piloting a unit. It's not necessarily always big things that they're asking for. Patients, sometimes even the smallest things, being able to not communicate. We actually had a patient being able to tell the nurse that he recognized her from a previous stay, which I think was pretty neat because then they obviously had that connection immediately. But also, I don't think that we would have been able to understand exactly what he was trying to say if we didn't have the Arthur app.
And Orlando Health is a platinum sponsor of the American Cancer Society's Making Strides Against Breast Cancer, and you're invited to join the Orlando Health or Bayfront Health teams. The Making Strides Walk in St. Petersburg will take place on October 14th, and the one in Orlando will be on October 28th. See SWIFT for details. That's it for today's edition of the Orlando Health News Review. We'll see you next week.